The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Alfalfa County in northwestern Oklahoma, southwestern Grant County in northern Oklahoma, northwestern Garfield County in northern Oklahoma, until 9:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 8:52 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Goltry, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat rotation. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Goltry and Hillsdale. Take cover now. Move to a storm shelter, safe room, or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.